Hi everyone, welcome to Plutus Haskell Term 3 class with your lecturer Calvince Harst. I am glad to see you here and excited to begin this journey together. So this course will help you understand how Haskell works as a functional programming language, FP language, and how Plutus is used to build smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain. So we will focus on practical learning, clear examples, and some of real-world applications that we are going to pick. My goal is to make sure each of you leaves this term with confidence in writing code, solving problems, and applying these skills in projects. So let's work together, stay curious, and make this a successful and enjoyable term. Thank you, and once again, I say welcome.